It's cool here again at Mullinax Lincoln. So today I wanted to do a quick demonstration of what you should do if your car battery dies. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down here, and if you can see this, there's a lever that should be in your car, and it will be placed in this lower left hand corner on the driver's side the majority of the time. Your make and model may be different, so take that into consideration. So now you're going to want to walk over to the front, look around in the engine bay, and find your car battery. Here's our car battery right here. I'll show you how to hook that up. I have this little tool right here that's a jump starting tool. I'm just going to take the cables for right now. Figured you guys need to know how to do that, how to put that together. Of course, if you have any questions about it, I can definitely figure out where we got it from, that type of thing. So most of the time when this will happen, you'll be out somewhere. You always need to keep a pair of jumper cables in your car. So what you want to do is, you got a black and a red cable. You want to put the black cable on first, and then red cable on second. So whenever you do this, the car will be off because your battery is dead, and you will get a charge going from either a portable charger or another vehicle. And to get the charge from another vehicle, you need the vehicle that is charged and is running on, and then you will go inside and switch the key on the car, or in this case, hit the push button start with your foot on the brake, and your car should start right up. If it doesn't, you may need to contact somebody. In that case, I'd recommend your local police, and that should do it for you. So have a good day, guys. I hope the video helped out.